we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of X-Vcak Portable Steam Sauna, Portable Sauna for Home, Sauna Tent Sauna Box with 2.6 liters steamer, remote control, folding chair, 9 levels. Color black. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Advantages of steam sauna for home. Burn calories, detoxification, relax muscles, relieve stress, improve blood circulation, improve your skin. You can add essential oils to the steamer for better steaming effects. Maximum temperature 120 degrees Fahrenheit, 1 to 99 minutes timer. The high-power steamer can quickly generate steam and shorten the preheating time. You can set the temperature and time on the steamer or with the remote control. X-Vcak Home Sauna has anti-dry burning and anti-leakage functions, allowing you to enjoy the sauna with more peace of mind. The oversized steam room is suitable for adults of different sizes. You can stand or sit in it. The steam tent is equipped with a waterproof folding chair, allowing you to enjoy the sauna more comfortably. Convenient design. There is a pocket inside the sauna room that can be used to store mobile phones and other small items. The zippered transparent window allows you to stick your head out for air at any time. The double pull zipper allows you to unzip and exit the steam room. Portable and time-saving. You can move the sauna tent to your room, living room, bathroom, or other places for use. If you need to take the steam tent to a further location, it can also be folded for easy portability. With this portable sauna, you can steam at home anytime and anywhere, saving time in going to the steam room. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.